So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So quickly, turn off your computer and then turn it back on again 3 times. Then on the 4th time, you turn your computer on again. It will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And now once we're here, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Startup Settings. And then click on Restart. Wait for this, which will then take us to here. You want to enable safe mode. So you want to click on either 4 or F4 on your keyboard. Click on 4 or F4. It's now going to take us into safe mode. Wait for this. And now once we're here, you want to go to search and type in Device Manager. Click on it. You want to expand display adapters. You want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it and then click on disable and then click on yes. You want to disable your graphics card. Now you want to restart your computer. Restart your computer. And now once you're back on Windows, go to search and type in display settings. Click on it. Once we're here, make sure that your display resolution is correct. You can also try setting it lower to your monitor's resolution, like the native one. So you could try the native one. If it doesn't work, then just make it lower. Now you want to re-enable your graphics card. Go to search and type in Device Manager. Click on it. Once we're here, you want to expand display adapters. You want to find your graphics card, right click on it, and you want to enable it. After that's been enabled, the problem should be fixed. If it's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go back into safe mode. I'll show you how to do that at the start of the video. Now once you're in safe mode, imagine this is safe mode, you want to go to search and type in System Configuration. Click on it. Now once we're here, you want to go to the boot tab. You want to select Base Video and then click on OK and then click on Restart. It will then take you back into normal Windows and then see if that works. If you're getting this problem, if you're playing a game or an application, you want to find the exe file of it, you want to right click on it, and then click on Properties. Then you want to go to the Compatibility tab, and you want to select Disable Full Screen Optimizations, and then click on OK. Then it should be working for you.